I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Siriusxm account on a desktop browser because the website shows full cancellation controls. Locate Account or My Account and verify which card and billing cycle are listed so you know when charges stop. Once signed in, open Subscription or Manage Subscription to reveal plan details. Make note of your current plan, renewal date, and any promotional terms. This prepares you to choose the correct cancellation flow, rather than guessing and risking unexpected charges. From Manage Subscription, choose Cancel Subscription or End Service and follow the prompts. Siriusxm often asks why, offers a retention deal, and shows the effective date. You should read the effect on your access and whether you'll keep service until period end. If the site redirects you to call or chat, use the provided number or live chat. Note the agent's name and confirmation number. And if your account was billed through Apple or Google, step out here and cancel through those stores instead so the charge actually stops. Finish by collecting proof. Save the on-screen confirmation number, take screenshots, and keep the confirmation email. You may need them if a charge appears. Then monitor your bank or card for the next billing date to verify no new fees. If you see a charge after cancellation, contact Siriusxm support immediately with your confirmation details. Request a refund if applicable. If the portal failed, call the cancellation number and reference your saved evidence so they can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.